Caleb. Caleb.
Nice to meet you. Carrie, John, nice to meet you.
Why do you have
So
to
you
kill your
guys,
baby
you guys
today?
are going to talk to me about your beliefs?
I'm talking more about your situation right now, not so much my beliefs. I'm asking you why you're here to kill your baby.
Do you believe that because I'm doing this, I'm going to hell?
Not because of this one act.
Okay, do you believe that this is forbidden by the Bible and that we should not do this?
Absolutely.
Right?
And
do you believe,
it's
let me ask
very
you something.
simple.
You all know mathematics, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You know what 0.9 bar is?
0.9 bar.
0.9 bar. 0.99999 forever.
Okay,
Right?
yeah.
Would you agree that that's less than 1? Yeah, right? You would agree that that was less than 1? It's not. You know why that doesn't matter in mathematics? Because beliefs are the lowest form of truth. Okay, so what you believe is not always true. Right? I can tell you many things that you believe that aren't true. You believe that you might be able to time travel, right? How about forward in time? You didn't go forward in time? No, you can't. You didn't go backward in time? No, you'd be right. You can't go back, but you can go forward. What we believe is not truth. Belief is the lowest form of truth, in fact.
So what is truth in your view?
Truth is mathematics. It's the only thing that every human being can agree on is mathematics. They can't agree on science. They can't agree on English. They can't agree on religion. They can really agree on mathematics, right?
That's great.
That is truth.
Okay.
Truth is mathematics.
How do you know that?
Because I can prove everything that I tell you about mathematics.
Okay.
I can prove it.
Okay, I'm
Because
sure
of
you
our
can.
language,
I
right?
really don't doubt that you can prove mathematics.
Yeah.
I'm not
so
disagreeing
what I'm
about
trying
that.
to make the point is
So-
that just because you believe something doesn't make it true.
Okay, so I have a question.
Yeah.
So, you believe that we can find truth by proving things, basically.
You prove
How
it,
do
yes.
you know that proving something to be true is what makes it true?
What is proof?
I don't know. That's what I'm asking.
Proof is like when I throw the ball, it moves, and then I throw the ball. And
Okay,
it
so
moves.
like the scientific method, experimentation,
No,
test
no,
something,
no, that's
test
not,
something,
there's
test
no,
something.
No, that's not with mathematics. Mathematics is this is why it's true. Step, 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 step. There's the answer. That's
Mhm.
it. There's no testing involved. It's truth. 0.9 bar, 0.9.
I'm not.
repeating is-
Yeah, but I'm
is equal to
asking.
1.
Okay, right. But that's what I'm asking is, how do you know that that math working makes it true? How do you know that?
I mean, it doesn't really work. It is.
It is.
And it's something that everybody agrees on. It's a language.
But that's
that
my
everybody
point. Is I'm
agrees
just basically trying to figure out, why do you believe that? Why
I don't
is
believe it.
math?
I don't
Okay,
believe
you know it.
on. Yeah, I know
Okay.
it.
How is it? Why is it that you know that math being,
I know, it's
existing, being true, makes it true? It's circular. Math is true because it's true.
Math is true because I can prove the things in mathematics.
But now you're going in a circle again, just using 2 steps. You can prove it. How do you know that proving things is what validates them?
So-
It doesn't make sense. If you don't have a good reason for that, you're just going in a circle. How do you know that proving mathematics to be true makes them true? This process by which you prove things.
So then
How
what
do you know
makes-
that process is
So
not
then
solid?
what makes your
Don't avoid the
religion true?
question. Don't avoid
So
the
what makes
question.
your religion true?
I'm
That's what
asking you questions.
I believe in mathematics, okay? Because I
I
can
thought you
prove
knew.
Them. I can prove them, so I know them as well, right? That's why I know for a fact that it's the only thing that every human being can agree on is the truth in mathematics, right?
Yes.
Okay. How do you know that your beliefs are true?
You completely just disregarded my question.
No, I didn't.
You did.
It's-
I asked you, how is it that you know that this process of proving mathematics to be true is valid? How do you know that?
Because we all agree as a human race that it's valid, not just my little
Okay.
center for mathematics.
So if
The
we
entire human
all
race
suddenly,
agrees.
agreed that the sky is red, it's red.
Well, no, our observations tell us it's not red.
You can't just change truth like that based on what everyone believes. Truth, it can't be based on what everyone believes.
Okay, so
This process of proving mathematics, you know, if this process is validated by just everyone agreeing that it works, well, that's completely unstable. Then everything can change like that. Suddenly, we can change mathematics if everyone can just get together and agree.
oh yeah,
We can change it. But it doesn't work that way.
Yeah, because people have tried to change it, but it doesn't work because you can prove and disprove things in mathematics. You can't prove and disprove things in religion.
But you're still relying on the proving method. I'm not talking about mathematics anymore. I'm talking about how do you know that proving mathematics is the right way to go about knowing that that's true.
We just abide by the laws of mathematics, and it shows us truth.
But see, you're relying on laws that are true, that you believe to be true, to find out if they're true.
I mean, you know, 2 comes after 1. Those are the only laws that we really
Right, but
need.
when you're questioning that, 2 comes after 1, well, how do we know that?
Well, we say that that's how we're going to start counting. There's 5 fingers on my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right, but the
a caveman
concept...
counted, right? When it killed 2 rabbits, it knew it had 2 and not 1. Right? Cavemen count.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's very
so-
simple. But when you're examining that and saying, how do we know that the laws of mathematics work? You can't use the law of mathematics to validate the law of mathematics. It's like you're probably coming out here to say, well, you can't use your Bible to prove your Bible, right?
No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that
It's circular
what
reasoning.
we believe is not always truth. In fact, 9 times out of 10, it is not true.
But see, you have no basis to believe that.
No, I know it. I teach. I know for a fact that when I ask students
I teach
questions, they
too.
all say the same
Wow.
thing that y'all did. 0.9 bar, is it less than 1? They all say, yeah, it's not. What comes after 0? They all say
Yours.
0.00001, right? There's nothing after 0. Everything that you believe and you've seen, it might not be true. Just because you've been taught a certain way, it's not always truth. We believe things and we learn
My
things
point,
through
though-
parents and things like that, but that doesn't make it true.
Yeah, but my point I'm trying to explain to you is that your basis for truth, this mathematics thing, is completely it relies on circular reasoning. Everything you believe is circular.
No, I don't think that it's circular.
By the
I
way, thanks
just
for
did
talking.
that.
Thanks for coming out here and talking.
No, you're welcome. I just wanted to actually hear what you guys had to say about this.
A lot of people don't, so
Yeah.
we appreciate
I
it.
appreciate that.
Yeah.
And that's the whole point. You're making God's image. We're here to proclaim a truth, and that's a hard truth, you know. But if you really believe what we believe, that it's murder that's going on in there, what would you do? Like, we had the argument about Germany. Like, well, people are like, well, that was a terrible society. You know, they were ruled by, some evil dictator. Well, who approved of that evil dictator? The whole society eventually did.
Well, yeah, they all did. Most of them did it because out of fear, right? And I agree with you.
Well, and
that
also about self gain, worshiping of self. The fact that
Sir, can we give you some information before you head out today? Sir, would you come talk to us? How can we help you guys today? Come talk to us. Please don't kill your baby today. Don't do this.
okay, no, that's fine. That's fine. Maybe sister, I don't know. But here's the point: we want to encourage you to rethink this whole decision. Because what we've done as a society is we've denigrated ourselves to just some people who have evolved from apes. You are made in the image of God, and here's the whole point. You're being consistent with your worldview right now. You're being consistent to say, well, if we're all evolved from apes, who cares if it's life or not? It doesn't really matter. There is no good or evil. We're here to say there is good and evil. There's something worth standing up for. If everyone right now were to do what we have done with mathematics and agree that killing a child even after it comes out of the womb, if they say that's okay, then as a society, it's okay. Because that's what everyone believes. And we're here to say that just because everyone believes that it's okay to go in there and kill your children, it's not.
but everybody doesn't, right? You guys don't.
What do you mean?
You guys don't believe that it's okay to go in there.
No, I don't.
Yeah. So there you
we're
go.
The society as a collective group has determined that this is legal.
How
It's
do we
okay.
determine what's legal or not? We go to the law. Society dictates what is good and what is evil. We're here to say that God dictates what is good and evil. And that's why we're here to say, look, if you want to go in there, yes, this isn't the opportune place to do this, but this is the first place, we're saying on the front lines of telling people, man, reconsider this. Like, really reconsider this, man.
But that's also because of the law. You guys are allowed to stand here and
For sure.
peacefully protest,
For
right?
sure. But here's things that the law doesn't dictate. The smile of my child.
Aha, sir. Ma'am, is there life in your womb?
The law dictates when it is a baby.
Exactly. So whatever the law says is good, right?
Don't do this to your baby, ma'am. Look at this. Look at this. You're here to kill a baby, sir. Go in and get her out. Ma'am, ma'am, don't go in there. This is a terrible place.
No, I'm not saying that it is cancer. That came out completely wrong.
But I want to war against. Here's what I
No, I know.
Please don't do this today. We can help you. There's a pregnancy help center we would love to show you. Right down the road, 2 minutes away, 3636. They'll give you free ultrasound, free pregnancy test. Please don't kill your baby today.
Okay, let's go. Well, hang on. Like I said,
I don't influence anybody.
now we're going to get into another discussion. So, as a person, if you were to say, well, we're going to take someone in there
Sir.
and murder them, that
Sir,
person
go in and get her out.
the law has a right to choose
Get that baby out.
whether that person can get
Oh, she's still here. Don't take her in there.
You know what a friend does? The Bible says iron sharpens iron. You know what the best thing you can do?
Don't go into this place. We can help you guys. We would love to assist you today. Please don't kill your baby.
A lot of people, we get a lot of bad raps out here. This is actually
Ma'am, there's a pregnancy help center 2 minutes down this road that can help you. Free ultrasounds, free pregnancy tests. Ultrasonidos gratis en el centro de cuidado para las embarazadas a 1 minuto de aquí. 3636 San Jacinto.
in our by law allowed to stand by those trains as they got in and protest and German soldiers. Stop what you're doing. You know the law. Exactly. That had been correct. But what do you know what law? What is our standard of good news?
I mean, we all have moral standards, right? And it's easy to base them.
In God's eyes, there's no difference between the baby that you have outside the womb and the baby inside your womb. Go in and get her out.
By showing these things, everyone is made in the image of God. You know what's right and wrong. You know that it's wrong what's going on with you. And so Romans 1 says that we suppress that truth because we love our sin. We want to make things convenient. And children, brother, fiscally they are. You know, there's so much more life.
Please leave this place. Please don't go inside. This is not okay in God's sight.
Yeah. Nice talking to you guys. Hey, nice talking to you. Nice talking to you.
Are you going to go in and get her out? Are you going to get her out? No. You're going to murder your baby. Get her out of there. Save that baby.